We are hearing a lot about this unemployment, lack of job opportunities, and a lot of related matters. Is it really a problem? And if you are a youth, if you are a student, if you are a graduated man, don't skip this video and subscribe to this channel. And let's go straight to the part. Because it is important, because the quality of the people reflects in the quality of the nation. It is because the quality of the people reflects in the quality of the nation. Suppose if you are a graduated man and you have a constant pressure from your family and your society asking for why did you get your job, and you have less job opportunities, you will have a situation to take an immediate job, and eventually if you didn't get that job, it will impose you to a situation to take any offer. And suppose in that situation a Cambodia based cyber fraud group offered you a high salary, offered you a job with high salary. At that moment, would you accept the offer?